is I'm an aesthetic dermatologist, but I really love new things. So I studied cosmetic surgery from 10 years ago, but I didn't really practice it because I had a burnout. So that's why I pursued preventive medicine for another 2 years in Germany. So with that, with my background, I only go for the best. And what happened kasi when I was young, our face kasi genetically, siguro my family is good looking naman, but our genes, talagang as we age, it's not from inverted triangle, nagiging triangle siya. So that's why probably I went to this field because I didn't want to be like that. Like they have double chin and then big jowls. So at a certain age, I did liposuction already. I did liposuction of the face already. And even if I did that, I still have big face. So nagulat nga ako one time that 2 months ago, I did treatment on my face. I was sleeping, they did Vocera and Thermage on my face. And then when I woke up, I have bruising. I had bruising on my face. So sabi ko, bakit ako may bruising? So they still injected some lipolytic agent to my face because they wanted to remove some of the fats. So sabi ko, oh my, I didn't know about it because I was sleeping. I had an anesthesiologist with me to make me sleep. Parang sound like Vocera and combined RF, two-color RF like Thermage. And it's not as painful as Vocera and Thermage. And it's not as expensive. So it's like a large big thing that you just go and you will see significant reshape of the face in just 3 to 4 sessions. You can do it every 2 weeks or once a month. So for me, I like doing it once a month. And usually as a surgeon, my solution for the body is actually to do surgery. But with this machine, it can also treat the body, not just to tighten it, but to remove the fat. As a doctor's dream for us, our dream is to have a very good machine that will give the best to the patient at the same time will give the best ROI for us. Konti lang yung ganung machine eh. Kasi the machines, usually they're here for marketing, branding, but we want to trust a brand, a machine that has everything and will not fail you. Kasi most of our machines, medical grade machines, it's very expensive. At the same time, we need to do maintenance thing, like at every 6 months, and we need to pay at least 500,000 to 1 million for the maintenance. That's why some people, they're thinking, bakit naman mahal? Why is it expensive to go to this clinic? Can I just go to the other clinic na mura? It's really because it's the quality. Kasi this machine, what's nice about
that was founded in Prague, Czech Republic, way back 1993. So we just celebrated our 30th year last year. So in the Philippines, we are already 11 years in the Philippines. We celebrated our 10th year actually last year. Now, we have NCTs, I'm sure you will hear about them. And our latest baby is ONC. We just released this to the market last month. It has 4 platforms. As explained by Dr. earlier, it has the microneedling, it has the RF and ultrasound for face, for the body areas, and of course the intimate part of the women, or what do we call this? MFEM needs.
Very inconsistent. That's also why, compared to other microneedling devices, this machine is only one. That's why when they decrease, it causes impact in our skin every 7 to 14 days apart. Okay, so the next slides are some of our before and after photos. So for this
Everybody
one,
shut up.
The 360 technology, which ensures homogeneous fitting. The intimate area to be treated is fully targeted as compared to the other devices which only partially treats the area. And because of this, the treatment procedure, especially the internal procedure, is easy and comfortable. Also, it is short, lasting only for 8 minutes.
I get kind of nervous whenever I do treatments because I don't pain or anything like I'm aware of that. But it was amazing. It's pain-free, so it's just like a heat sensation. It's kind of doing really quickly, and then the next day, my skin felt tighter. Honestly, it felt much tighter. It felt kind of like the feeling you have if you felt like Botox. I've tried Botox. And it felt much tighter. The ab one shocked me because it kind of is the same sensation, it's a heat sensation. And then the next day, it feels as though you've done an ab workout in the gym. That was kind of the feeling I had. But yeah, we highly recommend it.
Instantly I felt more of a tightened feel to my face. And then the next day that carried over and I also felt like a tightening in my skin. So I can honestly say that I did feel the effects of it instantly. So I am looking forward to see what the results will be after the second and third after. It's going to see a really big change. But yeah, I can honestly say that I did feel the difference.
By what Dr. means about having high standards is that I'm really afraid. So I have 1 million questions to ask Dr. before any procedure, and I'm really paranoid about pain, and I'm scared to ask, right? And then after she tells me about it, after any procedure, like during the procedure, I'm like, oh, this is it? This is it? Okay, I'm good. But she's prepared for like my 1 million questions. Actually, not just Dr. All of the doctors and the technicians here are willing to answer to my questions and my and again, I have 1 million questions, but the marketing guys asked me on the day where I thought I was going to get my face done, but I wanted to try it down there. And so my first question was if it would help address my incontinence. So that's a very sensitive topic, but I'm really open to talking about it because I became a mom at 20 and I'm now 42, so I've been experiencing incontinence for almost more than 20 years. And it's something that I don't talk about, and it's something that I really deal with. But of course, there are times where it becomes very bothersome. And of course, you're curious about it. I think stuff happens, and again, when you reach a point, the doctors assure you that it does get some incontinence. So that's what told me. And what I liked about it was, obviously, you're going to expose your entire being. The doctors and the technicians at the moment, really sitting there or lying down there for 30 minutes. Makes you quite nervous, and you're not really sure what the damage is as long as you understand. And at some of the technicians, you don't know very well, so you feel very, very vulnerable. But I like what Dr. said. She said it's not an aerobic experience. And I think that's what very comfortable address that concern, and it wasn't erotic, and it wasn't painful. It actually felt like I was having a aesthetic procedure or maybe even a medical procedure done that was absolutely